What motivates me is to make technology useful for people, so for our customers. That's actually one of the reasons I got in touch with Cognex, because we were reaching limitations, because we found we couldn't meet a need, and we found Cognex had the missing piece.
We are a maker of laser lithography tools used in industry and R&D. More recently, we are a quite important supplier for industrial tools in electronics and sensor industry. The challenge is, of course, the machines need to have a high productivity, low cost of ownership. They need to produce the best possible quality, and they need a very small downtime. We were always proud to do everything ourselves. But to have more professional solutions, it's good to work together with specialists who are specialists in a certain field. And Cognex, we learned, is a supplier who have a very high expertise in pattern recognition and in image processing software. Our MLA tools, they are maskless tools, they are replacing aligners. And the challenges are the feature size, they are continuously shrinking, and this together with really high throughput are the main challenges for our customers. And of course, the customers, they expect the really good yield they can achieve with our machines. But now it's quite important also to offer customization, to listen to the customer, what are the specific needs of the application, and to adapt our tools to the customer needs. And there it makes perfect sense that we as a machine maker, tool maker, work together with specialists in several fields. Our experience with Cognex is it works, and we can implement certain modules like image recognition into our tool to have even better output than with our own solutions.
With our challenges, we've been able to call our colleagues at Cognex and ask them, okay, how do we fit this? And we've always got very good advice. We can really be sure that our imaging needs are in good hands with Cognex.